Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. So now we are almost done with the different steps of the cleaning process for our first review of our dataset. And this final step consists of joining back the different words of this review list here, composed of the elements while, love, and place, so that the review becomes a string while, love, place. So let's do it. It's going to take one line. It's going to be very simple. We will use a special function for this, which is the join function. So we will take our review again because we will update the value of our review variable, which will become this new string. And so equals here, and then we simply use the join function. And in parentheses, we of course need to input the list of the different elements we want to join. And this list is of course the review itself. So review here, and that's almost done. Because by doing this, we're joining the words together, but we will need to separate them by a something, because if we join the three words together now, well, we will obtain a string of one word. This word will be while, love, place attached together in one word. So of course that's not what we want, and therefore we just need to add a space here in quotes, like this, and then a dot to join the different words of the review that are right now in a list, separated by this space here. So let's check it out. We will select this line. Right now the review is a list of three words, while, love, and place. And when I execute this, this review is reversed back into a string composed of three words, while, love, place, separated by two spaces. So that's exactly what we wanted, and therefore that's the end of the cleaning process. Our review is perfectly clean. It contains all the relevant words, it contains the roots of these relevant words, and all the different words are in lower cases. So perfect. And now, of course, what we have to do is do exactly what we did for this first review here, but for all the different reviews of our dataset. That is for all the 1000 reviews. All right, so we will do this, of course, through a for loop that will go through all the different reviews of our dataset, and that's what we'll do in the next tutorial. It's going to be very easy. If you followed part 6 reinforcement learning, you might now be very comfortable with loops. This one is going to be very easy. We will just need one loop that will go through all the 1000 indexes of our data frame, corresponding to the different lines, the different reviews of our data frame, and we will simply include all this cleaning process into the loop for each of the 1000 reviews. So what we'll simply need to do is replace this 0 index here by the I index, which will be the I index of our for loop, going through all the 1000 indexes of the reviews in our data frame. Alright, so let's do it in the next tutorial, and until then, enjoy machine learning.